Hello, good afternoon. Okay, so we have been talking about templates, and templates are the easiest way to make any piece of writing look a lot more professional. Make sure that your formatting is consistent, and that is going to go so far in getting people to read your work and really think of you as the expert that I know you are. So last week we talked about how to make your chapter template so that every single one of your chapters, whether you are pulling in a blog post, a podcast transcript you want to edit, or a piece of writing that you have made from scratch for your project, how do you make everything look the same? And again, that's going to go so far in making your project come across as really professional. And it also is going to make it so much easier when you go to format and do your interior layout or hire someone to do that for your published ebook or paperback. So last week we made our template. This week I want to show you how to attach the template to a piece of writing that already exists. So in other words, you've got your template. Rather than just making a new document from your template, in this case, you want to attach it so that your styles all match. So I pulled up a blog post, and let's just imagine that this blog post is going to be one of the chapters in my book. Well, so I'm obviously going to want it to be in the same font. I want to make sure that my headings look the same. So what my heading 1 or my chapter title, all those chapter titles look the same throughout the book. And all of my heading 2s, I want those all to look the same throughout the book too. I've also got heading 3s in here. So this is super simple. All you're going to do, go up to your tools up here, go down to templates and add-ins. As I mentioned last week, I like to save my template, not in the template folder, but just with my regular documents. I find it so much easier to find it when I need it. So I saved this one on the desktop just for y'all. So this is my TNR template, my Times New Roman template. So I'm going to click open, and then the last thing I need to do is I need to make sure I tick this box, automatically update document styles. So since I have throughout this document assigned my styles, I always do that habitually. When I click through, you'll see that it's going to change over all of my styles to match my book formatting. Magic, yay! So you can see, for example, my heading was up at the top here. That's how I do a blog post. But when I change it into a chapter title or a chapter, I want my title, as is industry standard, I want it to be about 1/3 of the way down the page. You can see I have my heading 2, so my subheadings, those are centered. In my blog post, I keep them left justified. So basically what it's going to do is change over all of your formatting so it matches. Now, you'll notice this does not look great, actually. And the reason is that I need to remove these extra hard breaks, which is something I talked about a couple weeks ago. Check out that video if you need help with that. But I just wanted to show you that even if you are starting with an existing piece of writing, if the formatting doesn't match what you want, if you have that template, if you have used that template for all your chapters, you have made your life so much easier, because all you need to do is apply that template. It's going to format your entire document. And if you saw my video, this is years ago now, about how to automatically make a table of contents, you're also ready to do that. So happy writing, happy editing, and let me know if you are using templates and how much you love it. I know you will.